Hey everyone, do you want no one on Instagram will be able to download your reel? So for that you have to do a small settings before uploading any reel on Instagram. For that just open your Instagram account. When you are on your Instagram, click on this plus icon and just click on reel to upload reel. Now select any reel that you want to upload and just simply click on next. Now is this section where you write your caption and hashtags. Scroll down and here at the bottom you can see an option called more options. Just simply click on this more options. Now here at this you can see the option called allow other to download your reel. So you have to enable this. When you enable this, people will be able to download your reel, and when you turn off this option, no one will be able to download your Instagram reel. So this is the way how you can stop or allow someone to download your Instagram reel.